Okay, so we're picking up from where we left off. So obviously, gonna have to, change up my question there. You know, oh, I wish somebody told me this. I wish someone said this to me when I was going to school. Yeah, yeah. All right. So we're going to talk about multiplication, but multiplication in a different sense. You see, we're going to be talking about something that makes us uncomfortable. And I'll tell you, we're talking about doing this. Watch this. Without, I'll make sure to, right? So let me write it now. Um, so ladies and gentlemen, while we're making abundant tangible habits, yeah, we're going to be multiplying decimals. Yeah? I give me a second here. All right. So we're going to be making abundant tangible habits. So here's my version of doing this. I'm gonna do this. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm going to do. No, that's how you should see this. You should see this as 4,587 times 198. That is your numerator. Your denominator is going to be the amount of decimal places that you jumped. So for example, you jumped from here to here one time. You jumped from here to here twice, right? So here comes the question. How many times did you jump in total? 3 times. Therefore, your denominator is going to be something over a power of 10 with 3 zeros. So you're going to jump to the left 3 times. That's what you're going to do. And your numerator is going to be 45. Sorry. 1587 times 190. Since we all know pi, let's make this arc. All right? This is actually what is happening. Yeah? So when you're doing this, this is what you're doing. This, that is what you're doing. No, but we can get rid of this and focus on doing it like this. So there we are. No. How do you do this confidently without a calculator? I like to do some things in the reverse order. I'll start with this. So I'll just put the zeros here. This multiplied by 1 is just, there you go. Then I'll put the 0 here and start focusing on the 9. Right? So first we focus on the 1. Now we focus on the 9. 4587 times 10 minus 1. So that means you will have I have to be careful. Multiply it by 10 minus 1. Yeah. That's how I multiply 4,587 by 9. Right? Can I do that? Let's see if I can do this and get away with it. If I add 7 to 3, I get 0 carry on 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. What do I add to 9 to get 17? Add to 9. It's looking like an 8. Right? So we put 8 right here. Then I carry the 1. So now 1, 0, 1, 7. 1 plus 5 is 6. Well, 8 minus 6. Okay. That's 2. 5 minus 4. All right, you know what I'm going to do now? Oh, I'm double checking this. I'm double checking it. Now, mind you, you might not be able to see my screen because my screen is bright. All right, where's my calculator? Come on now. This is what you would use AI to do. Use AI to check your answers, not to get the job done. You understand? That's what you do. Use it to check your answers. All right? Yeah, AI is a calculator. 4587 multiplied by 9. Don't know if you can see that. See it? I don't know. I don't think you can. It's kind of, oh Lord. That's even worse. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully. Anyhow, take my word for it. It's 41,283. So it actually works. All right? It actually works. So we're gonna put this right here now. All right? We'll put thin blue so we don't get confused. 41,283. All right. That makes sense. But if you're multiplying it by 90, you will end up with, okay, fair enough, fair enough. Now, we're multiplying this by 8. All right? Now, this is going to be different because now we have 4587 plus 4587. All right, let's do this. That's going to be, so put a 4 here, 1 plus 16 is 17, and then 9174. Okay, so what that means is we're going to be subtracting 9174 we're subtracting 9174 from this right here. So let's see what I get away with. So I add 4 to 6. That looked pale though. That was pale. Oh my god. That's okay. Let me go back to using the black. Oh my god, what is happening? What is actually happening? Hold on. Let me see. Is that one fading? There we go. All right, good. No, 6 carry on 1. 8 plus what number gives me 17? It's going to be 9. Carry on 1 again. 8 minus 2, that is going to be 6. Right? 9 plus what number gives me 15? It's going to be 6. All right, carry that 1. 4 minus 1. All right, no. We're going to double check that now. 4587 times 8. 36696. Yeah. I'm sorry that you can't see it. But yeah, we got it right. We got it right. So 36696. 36696. All right. Now remember, I am going to do this now. Put back the decimal places on decimal points, right? Let's put them back. Right? Yeah, put them back where we found them. So now we're going to add these numbers now. So we'll have add a 1 to that. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 6, that's 22. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 plus 3. All right. Now we jump back 1, 2, 3 times. So therefore 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No. Let's actually do that now. 4, 5, 8, 7 multiplied by. So that means I made a mistake somewhere. What did I do? Ah! Think about this. I said it, you know, I said it out loud and look at what I carried over there. I carried a 1. Yeah. So you see why you have to pay attention to yourself. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 6. 22. But I put 1 up here. It's supposed to be 2. Alright? It's supposed to be 2. Now, 2 plus 8. 10 plus 2. 12 plus 6. That is 18. That's what ChatGPT is for. That's what AI is for. To check your answer, not to give it to you. Right? So let's remember that. So yes, human error. That was a human error, right? Our methods were good, but we wrote something wrong up here. We wrote 1 instead of 2. Right? That's why you check your answers, right? That's how you make abundant tangible habits, right? So we got this number. We got this number. You see how we get everything right and we still, you know? So that's why when I'm marking papers, I don't get so, like I'll look at it and say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. If you get one of them wrong, I'll give you 5 out of 6. Right? I can't just see all the hard work you do and give you 0. Or mark the whole thing wrong. That don't make any sense. I'll give you the 5 out of 6. Right? Yeah. I will literally value the effort that you put in. Right? The steps, the working that you show, all of that. So anyhow, human error is possible, yeah? So that's how we make abundant tangible habits. Working without the calculator, is it easy? No, but it's possible. Right? So again, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. As I always tell you, honor your commitments. And again, yeah, you don't really hate mathematics. All you need to do is start making abundant tangible habits. There we go.